Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome again to the IELTS Writing Task 2 classes. So I know it's been a long wait and I hope you enjoyed the first two parts and you got to know that what is the exact format that you need to follow for advantage and disadvantage essay as well as for discussion and the argument essay, right? So we have covered all those types of essays of our IELTS writing task 2 essays. We have covered those types. Now in this video, we will be covering how to frame a cause and solution essay or a problem or solution essay. That's right. So let's get started without wasting any time. So when it comes to cause and effect essay, you know that there will be a social issue or something related to society. They would be given that okay, what are the causes of global warming, right? So there will be a issue given, and you have to tell that basically what is the cause of it, and then you have to tell that what is the effect of it on the individuals as well as the society as a whole, right? So when you get a cause and effect essay, there are two types or two ways in which you can answer your questions. So the very first way of answering the question is by, there are two types. So the very first type is that in body paragraph, what you can do is when you are writing your essay, in body paragraph 1 you mention that what is the cause plus effect of it, and in the second body paragraph you give a new cause and give a effect of it. Okay, for example, talking about air pollution, so you can say the cause of air pollution is the increasing population and the increasing number of individuals, right? So that can be the cause, and in the same paragraph you have to say that the effect of it is that people are today, due to the increasing population, in turn the vehicles are increasing, and that is why the air pollution is increasing. So as the air pollution increases, people are getting more prone to diseases like cancers, like lung cancers or asthma. Okay, so what you need to do is in your body paragraph 1, you have to give one cause and give one effect. Similarly, in body paragraph 2, you have to give a cause and give an effect. Now that is the one way to doing it. The second way is, what you can do is in the body paragraph explain the cause. For example, we were talking about air pollution. So you can give an give in the first body paragraph, just give the cause that the population is increasing. For example, India and China contribute to a major chunk of population of the world, and every individual today has their own vehicles which run on some fuels. Those fuels exhaust and release fumes that are causing harm on the environment, right? Thus thus we can say that the major cause of this problem of air pollution is the growing population, right? So what you did in your body paragraph 1, you explain that okay, what are the causes of, what is the basic cause of it, and you what you did was, like for getting a 9-band essay, what you need to do it is that every idea you spoke about, every idea that you give should be extended, should be supported, and should be relevant to the point. Okay, so okay, you are giving the relevant point, that is good thing. Then it should be supported by giving an example. Then it should also be extended. Extended means doing a discussion about that topic. Okay, so if you are not very well, or you are not already at a 7 or a 8 band, then I would suggest you to go with the second part or go for the second one. Like for in body paragraph 1, say the cause, in body paragraph 2, say the effect. What will happen is that you will be able to extend your ideas well, you will be able to support your ideas well. Okay, now let's briefly discuss that how you have to basically follow the pattern when it comes to both kinds of essays. Okay, so whatever format you want to follow, you can use these patterns. So first we will be talking about the first pattern. What you need to do is in your paragraph 1, you will be giving you an introduction. Then in the introduction, what you have to do is first sentence should always be your paraphrase statement. Then you have to give an outline. Now the outline of the course should have two ideas in it. Now we will be discussing the exact format that you have to use when it comes to a cause and effect essay. So if you want to follow the first part, that is you have to give that in body paragraph you are discussing cause and effect, and body paragraph 2 you are also discussing a different cause and effect. So if you are following that pattern, then what you need to do is in the paragraph 1 write one introduction. You have to start with writing the introduction, right? So sentence 1 will always be the paraphrase statement. Let it be any kind of essay, it will always be the paraphrase statement. Then the sentence 2 will be having two ideas of the cause. Okay, so whatever ideas you are going to write for the cause, you have to explain that in your introduction, in your second sentence. Okay, so basically there will be two ideas of the cause that you have to describe in one line. Similarly, the effects that you think that you will be putting in the first and the second supporting paragraphs, you have to write that in one line and have to mention in the sentence 3. Then this is how you have to make your introduction. Now coming to your paragraph 1 and 2 will have the same structure overall, but it will be a bit different from what you did earlier. Okay, so your sentence 1 should always be the cause, that okay, what is exactly the cause, why for example, why the global warming or why air pollution is happening. So you have to give an cause of it, then give an example for it, that any example that you can think of. Then give a then in the third sentence give an effect, that how this thing, whatever the cause you have written, how this will be affecting the society or how it will be affecting the common people. Okay, and at the end give a conclusion stating that how this cause and effect is like harming the situation or making the situation even worse. Then at the end, what you need to do is you have to write in conclusion. In the conclusion, the sentence 1 will be the summary of effects. Okay, because what you have done is that you will be starting that okay, these are the effects that are causing. Then you have to give a summary of the causes, and at the last you can give us some predictions or recommendations that you think. Okay, so this is the format that you need to follow to achieve a coherent essay. Okay, so getting a first thing, while you are getting and writing an essay, for following a structure is very important, because first thing what will happen is, first thing will be that you will be able to get marks in task response. Second thing, you will be able to get the marks you desire or the bands you desired in the coherence part also, right? And when you are writing example or giving the conclusion or giving the effect, you know that you have to use always the cohesive devices. Next, the second format of cause and effect essay will be this one. What you can do is simply in the introduction follow the same pattern. In the cause, in the paragraph 2, you have to give your cause and you have to support it, that why you are giving this cause. So we have discussed that what is the example. What you exactly need to do is in the sentence 1 write the cause, in the sentence 2 write the example, in sentence 3 give a reason or discussion that how this like for example, how population is affecting the environment. So you can say by more the population, more the people will be buying their private vehicles, and in turn more will be the pollution. So you have to discuss it over in the third line, that why your central idea and your cause link to each other. Okay, and at the end you have to give a concluding line so that the it should look in a proper format. Next, what you need to do is now in paragraph 3 you have to give an effect supporting paragraph. Okay, you have to give the effect statement, that okay, what is the major effect of it. then you have to give an example describing it, then you have to give a reason and a conclusion, right? So this is how you will be planning your answer. In this way, what you will be doing is you are giving the relevant point, you are supporting the statement, and you are also you are supporting the statement, and then you are extending the statement too. Okay, so what does fully extended, supported and relevant means? It means this, that you are giving and supporting everywhere, you are giving a proper example. Second thing of all, when you are getting a cause and effect essay, it is very important to balance the both. Okay, so if you are writing one paragraph of cause, it should be one paragraph of effect. It You cannot do like that, that you can give two causes and make two body paragraphs, and then in the third body paragraph you are explaining the effects. So that should not happen. Your if you are giving two paragraphs, or you have to give only one paragraph of cause and one paragraph of effect. If you think that by going through this format you are not able to get the number of word count, you are not able to achieve, then you have to look into your grammar part, because it will happen if you are not if you are not making basically the complex sentences. If you are just writing your simple sentences, then it might happen that your word count is not reached. So it is a very big clue that if your word count is not reaching, it means that you are not answering your question properly. Okay. So same with the problem and solution essay too. While when we discuss problem and solution essay, it will be exactly same with the cause and effect. Just the meaning of it is different. Cause means that okay, what are the basic problems, and then the solution. You have to give the solution, that why some things are happening and how you can improve it, or how the society can improve it, right? So this format is also similar to the previous one. If you are getting both, if you are getting what are the problems and solutions, what you need to do is, in the body paragraph 1, write the problem, give a solution. In the body paragraph 2, do the same. Okay. Then other way, what you can do is, similarly in cause effect essay, in body paragraph 1, you can give the problem. In body paragraph 2, you can give the solution. And the structure and the format that you were using in cause and effect, it will remain same. Just you can change the cause word, just you can change the cause word to the problem and the effect word to the solution. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and comment down below whatever new videos you would like to watch. And if you are interested in getting enrolled in IELTS coaching with me, you can contact me on my social media handles, and you can email me directly. Everything that you need will be there in the description box. So please subscribe to my channel first of all, and then you can mail me or you can follow me on my social media handles. Thank you so much.